In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Calendar on an iPhone. Whether it's keeping track of work meetings, planning family events, or simply organizing your daily tasks, sharing your calendar can make a world of difference. So let's dive in and get started. First, open up a web browser on your iPhone. You can use Safari, Chrome, or whichever browser you prefer. Now type in the URL calendar google.com into the address bar. This will take you directly to the Google Calendar webpage. It's important to note that while the steps we are about to cover align with accessing Google Calendar through a browser, navigating through the app directly on an iPhone isn't quite the same due to different interface options. Once you're on the Google Calendar webpage, we need to switch the interface to the desktop version. This is crucial because the mobile version lacks some of the functionalities we need for sharing. In Safari, you can do this by tapping the AA icon in the address bar and selecting Request Desktop Site. On Chrome, tap the three dots at the bottom of the screen and select Desktop Site. With the desktop version on display, look over to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find a list of your calendars under the section labeled My Calendars. This is where all your individual calendars are listed, so go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll want to select the specific calendar you'd like to share. Once you've identified it, tap on the Settings and Sharing option. This opens a new page with various settings for that particular calendar, allowing you to configure it to suit your needs. Scroll down this page until you find the section titled Share with Specific People. This is the area where you can control who has access to view or edit your calendar. Click on the Add People and Groups option. Now you'll see a prompt to enter the email address of the person or group you'd like to share your calendar with. Simply type in the name or email address of the individual you wish to share with. It's also possible to choose from your contact suggestions, which might appear as you type. After entering the necessary information, you'll need to click the Send button. This action will send an email invitation to the recipient, alerting them about the shared calendar. Be on the lookout for a notification confirming your invitation has been dispatched successfully. Now, when you return to your calendar settings page, you'll see the name or email of the person or group you've added listed there. It's as simple as that. They can now access your shared calendar, viewing and possibly editing it based on the permissions you've set. And there you have it. Those are the steps to sharing your Google Calendar on an iPhone. Sharing your schedule is an excellent way to keep everyone in the loop and stay organized seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.